it's Edward here, and I'm giving you live coverage part 2 on the Nerf gun fight. Let's have a look at Luke.
Do I take drugs or what?
Yeah.
I take drugs, don't I?
And there's Theo.
I am crazy.
And how do you feel about the fight?
I feel like I'm losing.
Good. Okay. Now, Sammy, how do you feel the fight?
I'm swag about this.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Now, okay. So it's 1-0 to Sammy.
Well, I don't think you were doing points.
Yeah, I know. I'm doing points. First to 3 wins.
That'll be him.
First to 3 wins. Right. Let's have a look. Oh, sorry. You don't want to be in.
And always been like that.
Oh, I blocked that. Oh, that was insane.
Okay, insane.
It was became like that, I think, after I had children. So it's sort of got this wavy bit underneath. And
Okay, there's Luke
Luke
here, and there's I don't know where Sammy is. Sammy's over there. I'll just give you live coverage from Sammy. Sammy, come here. Oh my God. Okay, don't shoot, please don't shoot. So, how do you feel about this? How do you feel? And they've just absolutely.
This is really good deodorant.
They've actually just paused the game. I don't know why. Sammy, are you going to carry on?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay, how many minutes is that? Look, that's Sammy. Oh no, that's not Sammy.
Oh, it's deodorant. No, I am.
Oh, that's Otis on his birthday, and there's Sammy, real. Okay, real Sammy. Right, Sammy.
Which one is mini arcade?
How do you feel the?
Which one is it?
Anyone?
Really?
No,
Which one am I?
There's Sammy now preparing for fight. That's all. And there's Luke. There's Luke. Which one it is? Not that one.
It's really harder.
Video. It's not on there. You need to go on YouTube. Right. And there's Sammy. There's Sammy. Oh, feisty.
Come on, Olivia.
There's Luke, aka Luke Skywalker. Oh my God. Giving you live coverage. No, where is Sammy? Please don't shoot me. Right. Hello. Can you see me? Yes, sir. Yeah, you can. Right, that's good, isn't it? And there's Sammy.
Oh, what a shot!
Oh, feisty! Wait, can you actually see on camera? Right. Right.
Which one?
Sorry. There. And then
It's not fair.
there. It's just there. Okay. His name. Oh no, sorry. Hello.
I saw your dad on TV.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
He was very grumpy.
Well, your dad. Yeah, there's Otis. There's Olivia. Hello. There's a Nerf gun actually going on, so Fatal. So I would be careful if you were.
I'm a mini person.
Oh yeah, and Otis might need to be careful as it's his only 3rd birthday. And he. Right. Where's Sammy? Sammy! Oh, live come.
Wait. Look how fast this is. Ow!
Okay. This is going to be
Like the
really.
white version of Vizan. Isn't
Oh.
he like the white version of Vizan?
No offense.
Is that good or bad?
No, Vizan was a really nice guy.
Should I shoot this camera?
No, don't.
I'm leaving. Bye.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Theo is leaving. Sad. How are you feeling?
Not now, please.
Okay.
I mean, whatever you are, stormtrooper. Could you come?
Captain
Name's
Phasma.
Falcon.
Captain Phasma.
Okay. I think I'll have to.
Sorry.
Come with me, come on.
I think I'll have to end this video right now. Yeah.
I will come again.
Yeah, okay, you can come.
I will come again.
Yeah, okay,
Actually, I won't. But anyway.
Yeah, till next year,
Fine.
Sammy. And I can tell you that Sammy, you won the fight. Sammy, how do you feel?
Dreadful. Ashamed.
Why?
Because I shot my friend, my new friend.
Wait, who's your new friend?
Right, we'll end this video. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.